supporting love. Catch it. You know that it's gonna be tragic, real graphic. I slapped the shit out the bitch in her ass cheeks. Yeah, you know that I'm gonna be out here. Gotta get it every single week. Minute in this epidemic way I'm living in these trenches. Got me living. All these bitches wanna serve me dickless. Leave a fully necklace out here with the fucking business. Bitches want it. You know that I give it to. And I taught the victims.
I really got him. We talking victims, man, and motherfucker witness. Man, Badger in the witness. Guarantee that nigga #1 up on the hit list. I never miss this, and I never miss that. And guarantee got the Derringer on my back, nigga. I'll leave your head in your lap, but you already heard that. But I'm the one with the last laugh. Well, and I'm just sitting in traffic. These motherfucking niggas always trying to get at me like they active, but fucking really, they some motherfucking pussy niggas. And now I don't even give a fuck, y'all fucking haters, participators, and never been ever clever. Fuck the bullshit, nigga. It's whatever, but fucking homie, I'm getting ready like I always say. I'll say it again. Motherfucker, never turn an enemy into a friend.
Never turn an enemy to a friend. You know that the bitch let a band at the back out here, but I never lack on the attack. You know that I'm out here rapping, attacking, I'm macking. All these bitches want it. Yeah, I hit them in traffic, and then I'm gone. Fuck that woman. You can have her. She ain't a woman, she a bitch, and I'm a fucking bastard. You know that I'm out here. You know ain't no actor. No way to stage is out here, and I don't give a fuck if I get famous. I just want my cousins out the pen, out the state pen. You already know how it's been since the first. We've been cursed, but we'll never learn. We'll make these bullets burn forever. You know them. Right, I severed from your fucking neck. I hear when I'm with the shit. Fuck your bitch. Yeah, I already did.
Already did, motherfuck your wife life and your motherfucking kids. Nigga, yeah, I'm about the dividend. Yeah, I'm about that business. Guarantee you get clapped. And I don't give a fuck, yeah, I just weigh that. And I just relax, homie, on the way back or something. I don't give a fuck. I'm trying to get a Maybach or something. I'm really not even lying, but fuck the bullshit, homie. Nigga, that's what I'm weighing. And it's looking pretty lovely. But why the fuck is something lovely in it? And I don't give a fuck, I'm steadily going. These motherfuckers talking shit like they steadily mowing, steadily flowing. Niggas gonna die.
It's gonna die. I'm gonna take their life. I'm gonna slice their windpipe. I'm gonna take their wife, not on a date, but I'm gonna take her to Western Way to get my way, pay my way. You know, I can make a couple of dollars off a bitch every day, 11-5 shit. You already know that I'm out here later pipe quick. Nah, I be long, maybe. Really, if I want to, I ain't trying to make a baby, bitch. I don't want you. I'm just trying to leave it wet, and I'm just trying to leave you wanting more sex from a big style here from that east.
From that fucking east.
Do this shit for sound, it's talking somewhere in between. A nigga lost it. Probably where we dropped off the carcass. You know that I've been out here and it's up working, cause I'm hitting niggas left and right on a freebie. You know that these motherfuckers really wanna be me, and the bitches wanna be up on their knees. They wanna suck me dry. Out here, push, drive, all up in that hoe. All up in that hoe. I left the broke, no clothes, nothing. Bitch. That's cool.